One of the ways to mobilize the thoracic spine is to use a foam roller. It's very difficult for the patient because if the patient was to simply try to extend, more than likely the lumbar spine will extend as the pelvis will anteriorize itself. We can use a foam roller, not to roll as the operative word, okay, but we use it as a pivot point. This is a good one. This one is by Pulse Roll because they've got some vibration on there, and if I just press this, it vibrates 1, and then it goes through 2, for 3, for 4, and it goes off. So that's quite a nice little idea, okay, so by Pulse Roll, and I quite like that. Not so much as a roller per se, but especially for mobilize the thoracic spine, I think it works very well for myself with my patients. So what we're going to do is place that into the upper sort of like, well, there's actually lower lumbar here, but we're going to start as he rolls. I think we're okay there. Have your arms across your chest to start with. So what I'm going to get my patient to do, Max, is just slowly pivot over that sort of area. Okay, so we're just going to go as far as you comfortably can and then come back off that. So now I'm going to say take a breath in. And then as he breathes out, I'm going to control the extension. Feels okay? All right. So that's in the, let's see where we are anatomically. So we are on the border of the lumbar spine there. So to go a little bit further, so he's going to like almost like roll. So the roller goes up his back, okay, as he goes down. Take a breath in. And then we are now, so we can focus on the lower T-spine to extend, okay? And then again, we can increase the mobility and then roll a bit further. You can, you okay there? Good. Take a breath. And then we can then extend again. Now to increase the leverage, we have a couple of choices. Elbows out, please. Take a breath. And then off you go and breathe out as you extend over. Okay, so we can increase the leverage. Come back. Bring your arms over your head. Take a breath. And as he breathes out, we can then pivot again. So you can go as far as you comfortably can, trying to encourage T-spine extension. Take a breath. Maybe just roll again. Good, take a breath in. And then again, we can work on the pivot. If I just press the button, so we've got level 1 of the vibration. So you can almost use that as a mobility to pivot whilst it is vibrating. Position 2, okay, or vibration 2. Vibration 3, and then the patient, depending on the comfort, you can see it's vibrating there. And go over, and the last one will be 4. So be careful on where you're going to decide. But in reality, I'm using it more as a pivot point. So you can use any roller, yeah, to do that particular technique. But if you want the added vibration, then obviously you can buy the Pulse Roll. So that was a simple technique to encourage thoracic mobility using a foam roller.